everyone, welcome back to my channel Cauco Beads. This is Laura and today I want you to make full of color frenzied bracelets, as usual very easy to make. I've made these bracelets using macrame knots combined with some beads to make them special. They are adjustable so they fit to everyone, which make them perfect to give away or to sell in your little business. If you want to know how to make them, keep watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.